Hello viewers, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to look at solve this equation if 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 5 minus 512 is equal to 0. We are asked to solve for y. But before we find the solution to this question, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you. Now we're going to look for the value of y as we solve this equation. Now, we're gradually going to apply the laws of indices. Let's solve. We have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power y to be minus 512 equal to 0. So we'll cross this equal to this to the other side, and that will give us 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 5 to be equal to 512. Now recall that 512 is equal to 2 times 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 2. And if we multiply that, that will be 2 raised to power 9. So if we multiply that, we are going to get 512. So that equation will now give us 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 5 y equal to 2 raised to power 9. Now you come to realize that we have same base. Same base will cut same base. So we'll have 3 raised to power 4 raised to power y equal to 9. Having gotten that, we'll come to also see that this equation will give us 3 raised to power 4 raised to power y equal to, now 9 will also be equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2. So that will give us 3 raised to power 2. We have same base, this will cut this, and then we'll have 4 raised to power y equal to 2. Solving this further, we're going to have our 4 raised to power y to be equal to 2, and that will give us 2 raised to power 2y, because 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Remember, this is 2 raised to power 1. So same base will cut same base, and then we'll have 2y to be equal to 1. Finally, we'll have our y to be equal to, divide both sides by 2, and y will be equal to 1 over 2. Now let's finally check if this solution is correct. Remember, we are asked to find this value, so we are going to check if this equation is if this solution is correct. We are given 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power y to be equal to 512. Now let's check. We're going to put our y to be equal to 1 over 2 into this value, and that will give us 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Now recall, in the law of indices, if you have a raised to power 1 over 2, it can be equal to square root of what? Square root of a. If we apply that here, we're going to have 2 raised to power 3 square root of 4, and that will give us 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. And recall that 3 raised to power 2 can be equal to 9. So we'll have 2 raised to power 9 to be the value. So 2 raised to power 9 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 into 9 place, and when we multiply it, we're going to have 512. So you see that that value is equivalent to this value we have here. So that means that our solution is very what? Our solution is correct. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to please subscribe to this channel.